Hello everyone, my name is Karen and welcome to this Get Ready With Me video using my current favorite products. Today's video is special for me because it's been so long since I last filmed a makeup video. And while I'm doing my makeup, I also want to share some thoughts about my relationship with makeup, how I kind of lost interest, and how I'm currently rebuilding my love for it. And of course, in order to celebrate this comeback, stay tuned, watch until the end because I have a surprise for y'all. Yeah, but before anything else, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel para ayon, masaya ang lahat. And again, stay tuned until the end. So, let's start the story time by admitting that my excitement towards makeup slowly started to fade away around year 2019. Para sa mga hindi nakakaalam, I used to work in the beauty retail industry while also accepting gigs as a freelance makeup artist on the side. So, nung bago pa lang ako, I felt really happy and excited because obviously I love makeup, I'm passionate about makeup artistry, and parang na-envision ko na as long as I do something I love, feeling ko magiging kontento ako palagi. While it's true that I felt really happy and overall satisfied with my career, things slowly started to change. Because my full-time work requires me to render 6 times a week, I only have one rest day. And then, if I accept, let's say, a freelance gig, or technically may nag-book sa akin, I can usually accept it on my rest day. So, if meron akong gig during my rest day, wala na akong chance para talagang makapagpahinga ng maayos. Although I wasn't really the type of artist na always fully booked or yung meron akong consistent number of clients per month, going to a makeup gig requires a lot of effort, energy, and money. So imagine I have to carry my makeup chair, my mirror, my ring light, and my actual makeup kit. I don't have a personal vehicle, so I always have to book a Grab, which is definitely more expensive compared to Jeep, MRT, and LRT. Of course, I understand that if I really want to pursue this kind of career, then I always have to deal with these consequences. However, something weird started happening along the way. So I mentioned a while ago that my interest in makeup started to slowly fade away during 2019. Ironically, this was also the same year I went to a makeup school and eventually got more opportunities to work as a freelance makeup artist. I still enjoy the act of applying makeup products or the process of applying makeup on myself and on other people. But I guess both my body and soul are no longer cooperating with me because physically I became really exhausted day by day, and mentally I'm dealing with a lot of thoughts, limiting beliefs, and other messed up things. On the outside, it may seem as if, I carry myself very well, but there's actually a lot going on in my personal life that slowly started to affect my passion. So when I started to slowly realize that, my passion in makeup or my passion as a makeup artist is already in danger, I thought, bakit kaya, why not try to create more content on YouTube, be more consistent, and, just share my knowledge. And so that's what I did. I've started my first passion project here on YouTube, and I created this mini-series called Beauty Basics for Filipinos, which I started February 2020. And when I finished editing and uploading the first episode and nakita ko yung kinalabasan niya, I was really satisfied. Although it wasn't, the most perfect video or tutorial, I'm just really happy that I was able to share what I know. And of course, we all know what came the following month. The first lockdown happened. At first, I was really worried because syempre may virus and hindi tayo pwedeng lumabas ng bahay. But on the other hand, I also had more time, more opportunities to continue my passion project. And eventually, after a few months, I was able to create more YouTube videos. I had my first giveaway, and it was such a fun experience for me. However, I guess the downside of being a beginner content creator is that I have to constantly think of what to create. There's also that feeling of pressure na I have to be consistent, dapat may upload schedule, and kung gusto ko talagang mag-grow yung channel ko, I really have to buy more makeup products, keep up with the trends, blah blah blah. And those thoughts combined with the pandemic stress, combined with my physically exhausted body and my unstable mental health, I finally reached a point na hindi na talaga ako gumagamit ng makeup. And kahit yung tinitignan ko lang yung makeup collection ko, hindi ko na siya ginagawa. When 2021 started, I still continued creating YouTube videos. I even created a new mini-series called Build Your Kit. Of course, I still felt satisfied with my work, but I slowly switched into creating more vlogs versus beauty content because at the same time, I was also having a hard time looking for a new job, and the overall job hunting experience really hit my mental health very badly, and it became worse when I started working again. So to the point na I finally consulted a psychiatrist. I actually talked about this on my previous Get Ready With Me video, so if you wanna know the full story, I will link the video on the description box. But yeah, that's what's been happening during that time. I already lost my interest in makeup. And pati yung paggamit ng skincare almost every day. I know it's a form of self-care, pero for me that time, parang it was too much. Kahit yung paggamit ng skincare, parang hindi ako masaya. Thankfully, around October 2021, I realized na paubos na yung mga skincare products ko. As in, wala na talaga akong magamit at all. And although hindi na ako ganun kasaya gumamit ng skincare and makeup, yung skincare, hindi ko siya ma-let go because I know my skin needs it. So, I finally decided to try out new products. I bought some skincare products, and slowly I also started to try out some K-beauty products. But even after that, yung interest ko in makeup, hindi pa siya fully na-restore. Fast forward to April 2022, my mental health is already so much better, and I'm also working in a new and better company. My love for makeup slowly came back. One night, this was the time when we went to SMECA Mall and we watched The Power of Love, the movie by the K-pop boy band 17. I entered the NARS kiosk sa may fashion hall, and I was looking for a concealer kasi I wanna try one, and eventually I bought the Radiant Creamy Concealer. And during that moment, I was reminded of my younger self when I was just starting to discover makeup, started collecting products without proper knowledge, and just the pure excitement of trying out new stuff. Ayun, so at the time, habang binabayaran ko na yung concealer, na-realize ko na yung excitement na yun, I haven't felt that in such a long time. And when I came home, sobrang excited akong i-unbox siya, as in vinidyohan ko pa siya, and then tinry ko agad yung product, and I felt really, really happy. Nung gabi nga, medyo emotional pa ako kasi bago ko matulog, na-recall ko lahat ng mga moments on how I used to be so passionate for makeup. Parang I can't believe I almost forgot na, whenever I feel sad or stressed, I would just apply makeup on my face regardless if it's day or night. And slowly na-recall ko din or naalala ko din yung mga beauty goals ko for myself. Tapos yung mga brands na gusto kong i-try and yung mga makeup looks na gusto kong i-experiment na hindi ko pa nagagawa before. At this point, I would say my love for makeup hasn't been fully 100% restored yet, but it's definitely back. I realized that makeup still plays an important role in my life, although I'm no longer pursuing a career in the beauty industry. And now, I'm just slowly but surely rebuilding a healthier relationship with myself and my love for beauty. I guess my takeaway from everything that I've said is this. Pursuing your passion isn't always easy. You can still feel tired even when you're doing something you love. And if you're feeling lost, it's important to take a rest, restore your energy, and try again. In order to celebrate this milestone, I'll be doing my first giveaway for the year! Yay! So as mentioned during the beginning of the video, may surprise ako at the end, so this is it. As always, this giveaway is open to all Filipinos residing here in the Philippines, of course. I'll be giving away 300 pesos GCash or prepaid load, whichever you want, to 5 lucky winners. I was supposed to do this giveaway last year, right after kong matapos yung Build Your Kit mini-series. Pero as mentioned during my story time, diba, ang daming nangyari. So, finally, I'm doing it now. It's better late than never. And I guess I also just want to celebrate and, give this mini-series a proper closure and a more positive ending. So all you have to do in order to join the giveaway is to visit the link I included in the description box. And once you visit the link, just carefully read everything and follow the rest of the instructions. So the giveaway will start today, as in right now, until June 30, 2022. And the winners will be announced on July 5, 2022, 8 p.m. on my Instagram stories. I will also put the winners on this video's pinned comment. And yeah, that's it. All you have to do, again, is to just visit the link, follow the instructions, and wait for the announcement. So good luck sa mga sasali sa giveaway, and thank you so much for watching today's video. Again, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye!